Good day everyone, I'm from Mariveles National High School Poblacion and my name is Luigi Yudacanay. Here to present the performance task along with the competency for Science 10, Quarter 2 and Week 9. Explain the operation of a simple generator.
These are the materials used for the generator.
The materials used are tape, wood, CD, glue gun, dynamo, LED light, wires, tubes, cutter, long nose, and pencils.
First, use a glue gun to stick the tape on top of one CD and then place the part of the marker that was cut inside the tape and then put clay around it so it's sturdy. Then place the other CD on top of it and stick it using the glue gun. Next is to stick 2 pieces of wood that will serve as the stand. After that, get another 2 pieces of marker that was cut and stick each piece on top of each wood. Next step is to use a pencil to put inside the CD. Use drafting tape so the pencil fits inside. After that, get a rubber band inside the CD before sticking it on the other hole. Then use another 2 pieces of wood that will serve as support so it doesn't break.
Make a crank using a pencil by cutting it in the middle, then sticking it on one side of the pencil that is inside the CD. And then set up the dynamo using 4 pieces of small wood and then stick it using the glue gun. Get another CD and cut 4 cylinder-shaped pieces from it and then stick it to each other making a box shape. Then get a cup of a plastic bottle, then make a hole in the middle and then put the LED light inside it. Make a stand for the light using 2 pieces of wood, then stick the light on top of it. Connect the wires of the dynamo to the LED and spin.
Did you know, generators do not actually create electricity. Instead, they convert mechanical energy into electrical energy. They do this by capturing the power of motion and turning it into electrical energy by forcing electrons through an electrical circuit. A generator is essentially an electric motor working in reverse. Electric generators are devices which are using alternating magnetic field to create a current through a wire circuit. An electric generator converts mechanical energy into electrical energy by generating voltage that forces electrons to flow through an electric circuit. This method is based from Michael Faraday's principle of electromagnetic induction. That's all. Thank you for watching our presentation.